Welcome to our journey into the transformative world of self-belief. In today's fast-paced environment, cultivating unshakable self-belief is essential for personal growth and success. It acts as the foundation upon which we build our dreams, tackle challenges, and embrace opportunities. When we believe in ourselves, we unlock our true potential, enabling us to pursue our goals with confidence and resilience. Throughout this video, you will discover practical strategies to enhance your self-belief. We'll explore the power of celebrating small wins, which can significantly boost your confidence and motivation. You'll learn how to reframe failures, turning setbacks into valuable lessons that propel you forwards. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of self-compassion, helping you to treat yourself with kindness and understanding during tough times. So, whether you're looking to overcome self-doubt or simply want to strengthen your belief in yourself, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this empowering journey together and unlock the self-belief that lies within you. Step 1. Identify and celebrate small wins. One of the most effective ways to build unshakable self-belief is by identifying and celebrating small wins. Start by setting achievable goals that are within your reach. These goals can be as simple as completing a task at work, exercising for a few minutes, or even making a healthy meal. Each accomplishment, no matter how minor, fosters a sense of achievement and propels you forward. To keep track of your progress, consider maintaining a journal dedicated to your daily successes. Write down everything you accomplish, from the smallest tasks to the more significant milestones. This practice not only helps you visualize your progress, but also reinforces the idea that every step counts. Remember to regularly acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your achievements, whether it's treating yourself to something special or simply taking a moment to reflect on your progress. Recognizing your hard work is crucial. By focusing on these small wins, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that strengthens your self-belief and motivates you to reach even greater heights. Step 2. Reframe failures as learning opportunities. Reframing failures as learning opportunities is a powerful step in building unshakable self-belief. When faced with setbacks, it's essential to analyze them objectively. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, ask yourself what valuable lessons can be extracted from the experience. This shift in perspective allows you to grow and adapt, turning obstacles into stepping stones toward success. Embrace a mindset that views failures not as endpoints, but as integral parts of your journey. Each setback can provide insights that guide you toward better decisions in the future. For instance, consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before finally publishing the Harry Potter series. Her perseverance and ability to learn from each rejection ultimately led to monumental success. Similarly, Thomas Edison famously stated that he didn't fail, but rather found 10,000 ways that won't work before inventing the light bulb. By adopting this mindset, you'll empower yourself to move forward with confidence, knowing that every failure is a stepping stone on your path to greatness. Step 3. Practice self-compassion. Practicing self-compassion is a vital component in building unshakable self-belief. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend in times of struggle. It allows you to acknowledge your imperfections without harsh self-judgment, fostering a more positive self-image and boosting your confidence. During tough times, it's crucial to remind yourself that everyone faces challenges and makes mistakes. Instead of criticizing yourself, practice self-kindness. Speak to yourself gently and recognize that it's okay to feel vulnerable. This shift in attitude can significantly enhance your emotional resilience. To cultivate self-compassion, consider incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine. Take a few moments each day to breathe deeply and reflect on your feelings without judgment. You might also try journaling about your experiences, focusing on what you would say to a friend in a similar situation. By fostering a compassionate inner dialogue, you'll create a supportive environment that nurtures your self-belief and encourages personal growth. Embrace self-compassion and watch your confidence flourish. Step 4. Visualize success. Visualizing success is a powerful technique that can significantly enhance your self-belief. By imagining yourself achieving your goals, you create a mental blueprint that guides your actions and decisions. Start by finding a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Picture yourself reaching your desired outcome, whether it's acing a presentation, completing a project, or achieving a personal milestone. Engage all your senses in this exercise. See the details, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with your success. The power of positive imagery lies in its ability to boost your confidence and motivation. When you visualize success, You train your mind to believe that your goals are attainable. This practice not only enhances your self-belief, but also prepares you mentally for the challenges ahead. To maximize the benefits, make visualization a regular part of your routine. Spend a few minutes each day envisioning your success. Over time, this consistent practice will reinforce your confidence, making it easier to take the necessary steps toward achieving your dreams. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is crucial for building unshakable self-belief. Start by engaging with supportive friends and mentors who uplift and inspire you. These individuals can provide encouragement, share valuable insights, and help you navigate challenges. Their belief in your potential can significantly boost your confidence and motivate you to pursue your goals. In addition to your social circle, consider the content you consume daily. Uplifting books, podcasts, and motivational videos can have a profound impact on your mindset. Seek out materials that resonate with your aspirations and encourage personal growth. By immersing yourself in positive narratives, you reinforce your self-belief and cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life. Equally important is distancing yourself from negative influences. Identify relationships or environments that drain your energy or foster self-doubt. By minimizing exposure to negativity, you create space for positivity to flourish. Remember, the energy you surround yourself with plays a significant role in shaping your self-belief. Embrace positivity and watch how it transforms your journey towards success. Step 6. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is essential for building unshakable self-belief. Start by establishing achievable, incremental goals that allow you to progress without feeling overwhelmed. Break larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes your goals feel more attainable, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. Patience and persistence are key components in your journey toward confidence. Understand that building self-belief is not an overnight process. It requires time and consistent effort. Embrace the idea that setbacks are part of the journey and view them as opportunities for growth rather than failures. As you work toward your goals, celebrate each small victory along the way. This practice reinforces your progress and helps maintain motivation. Remember, every step you take contributes to your overall self-belief. By setting realistic expectations and being patient with yourself, you create a supportive environment for growth. Trust the process and know that with dedication and perseverance, you will gradually cultivate the confidence you seek. In summary, building unshakable self-belief is a transformative journey that involves recognizing the importance of small wins, reframing failures as learning opportunities, and practicing self-compassion. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how minor, fosters a sense of accomplishment that propels you forward. By viewing setbacks as stepping stones and treating yourself with kindness, you create a supportive environment for growth. Now is the time to take actionable steps toward enhancing your confidence. Start by setting realistic goals, practicing visualization, and surrounding yourself with positivity. Remember, building self-belief is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe for more empowering content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who may benefit from these insights. Together, let's create a community that uplifts and inspires one another on the journey to unshakable self-belief. Take the first step today and watch how your confidence flourishes.